Disclosing tablets are made up of a harmless vegetable dye that stains plaque red. The main cause of cavities and periodontal disease is the accumulation of plaque. Plaque is the sticky film of food and bacteria that forms constantly on your teeth. It's hard to see plaque, but look at how it shows up after we've stained it with red dye. You must remove all of the plaque each day, or else it builds up and mineralizes to become tartar, which is also called calculus. The blue spots here are tartar. It takes professional help to remove tartar. There's no way for you to remove it at home. A toothbrush or floss won't even budge it. Disclosing tablets can help you prevent cavities and periodontal disease by helping you see the plaque that hasn't been removed. Then you can remove it before it hardens to become tartar. After brushing and flossing, simply chew a disclosing tablet, swish it around your mouth and rinse with water. Using a small dental mirror, check your teeth for any signs of red, especially near the gum line. Brush and floss these missed areas and you can be confident that your teeth are plaque-free.